Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi all, good morning. How are you today? Hopefully you are all fine. Okay? Well, today I want to tell you about my report presentation. It's about the workshop that I joined last week. In this workshop, we are talking about imparting online teaching learning methodology. This workshop is held by tieupsintl International in collaboration with Dinas Pendidikan Provinsi Riau, Aptikom Riau, Stikes Awal Bros Riau, and MGMP Bahasa Inggris Provinsi Riau. It is held on 28 to 30 January 2021. This workshop is promoted by Mr. Raffi Mahija. He is a promoter of India-Indonesia education. In this workshop, we have two speakers. They are Mr. Rajiv Ukalebar and Mr. Arun Kumar. Both of them are from Jainuniversity. In this workshop, we have learned so many things. Our speakers gave us some website links that we can see here, and we also practices some teaching tools that we can use in teaching online learning, such as GFOM. I think GFOM is familiar with all of us because we have used it in our schools. Then TestMos. This one is new for me. I think it is better because TestMos can be used both in online and offline teaching learning. Here in this TestMos, we can export or we can print the test that we have done. Then we can share it to our student if they don't have a line in their home. Next is Mentimeter. It is also an online tool. It's creative, interactive presentation and meetings that we can use everywhere. And the last is Slido. Slido is also an interactive teaching learning tools that we can use at our schools. First, we should log in our account. Then here we can see we can do live interaction, switch event, also question and answer, and polling also can be done here in this Slido. I think that's all for my presentation now. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.